Where I've got my top off. So I'm going to show you today how to do retraction of your shoulder blades or squeezing your shoulder blades together and how to push them away from each other. This is super critical, and you've probably seen in loads of other videos on the training side of things when it comes to locking in the upper back musculature to keep the lower back safe and to keep everything nice and tight when you're doing pressing movements, you're doing bicep curls. They all really resonate from around the shoulder area. And keeping that shoulder stable by using the back muscles and the stuff that we call the rotator cuff to stabilize the head of the humerus, which is the bone here, is really critical for improving muscular contraction. So I'm just going to turn around and show you how we can retract our shoulder blades or what that means. And the retraction is them coming together, and then the protraction is them going apart. And depression, where you're depressed, you go down, and elevation is when you go up. So I'm going to show you all four of those so that you can get understanding of how that comes together and how we work them together. So when I look at here, I'm going to look at, this is retraction. And then I'm going to go into protraction, so push them forwards and round. And then retraction again. And then protraction again. Now, depression, elevation, depression, elevation. And by doing those retractions, whenever you're in these different movements or you're doing different exercises, that will keep you safer. And it'll allow me to coach you better as well if you know what those four movements are, and allow everything to really take off when we're trying to look at corrections within the exercise technique videos.